Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have got a product from Logitech, which is Logitech MK220 keyboard. This is the front of the box, and that's the back of the box. Compact keyboard, comfortable mouse, Logitech 2.4 GHz, wireless 10 meters of range, and battery that lasts 24 months. So let's unbox this, guys. Let's see what we get inside the box. The first thing we get is wireless mouse. The second thing we get is USB type A wireless USB, and we get high quality Duracell AA 4 batteries. No, AA 2 batteries and AAA 2 batteries. Let's see what else is inside the box. And we get our keyboard. And we get user manuals as usual. Let's go towards the main product, which is keyboard and mouse. That's the back look, that's the front look, and for keyboard that's the front look, and that's the back look. So let's see where we can put batteries. We can put batteries on the left side, and in keyboard we have to put AAA batteries. And to close this lid, keep this arrow side down, and that's closed. And for mouse you have to use two AA batteries. So how do we open it? From the back as well. So first we'll put the bottom battery, then the upper battery, and we'll close the lid. It automatically didn't start it. Let's see after connection if we can start this or not. So now keyboard key test. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, click that like button and subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.